Got no money, but need a mechanical keyboard? No problem. Today we're looking at the high speed, high control, high response, Red Dragon Alright, we're unboxing stuff, which means it's time for the knife of mistakes. Alright. Oh. Oh. Oh, just what I ordered. Bubble wrap. But let's be honest here for a second. It's a $28 mechanical keyboard. Normally $35. I got on sale for $28. I'm sure it goes on sale relatively often. And let's talk value here for a second. Chances are if you're buying this, you're coming from a membrane keyboard or something that came default with your computer, right? It's definitely much better than a membrane keyboard. Membrane keyboards just aren't satisfying, in my opinion, and a lot of people's opinions. This will definitely be a lot more satisfying to use. And just using it, I mean, $28 with some mods, this can turn from like, okay, very good for the money, to possibly something actually pretty decent. I'm gonna try it out. Hey, it's Editor Alex here, and I realize now that I forgot to say what I'm doing. Well, I'm gonna be putting foam within the hollow plastic case in an attempt to make the sound better. And I'm also going to attempt to lube the stabilizers without taking them out. The reason for the scuff stabilizer mod and the lack of switch desoldering and lubing is because realistically, if you're buying a $28 mechanical keyboard, you're probably pretty new to the hobby, and you probably don't have much experience. So knowing this, when I was planning the mod for this keyboard, I decided I didn't want to have to take anything out of the PCB, and I wanted to make the mods relatively beginner friendly. Also, as of recording this, I'm not aware that my storage drive is full and half my video isn't going to record. This includes the attempted lubing of the stabilizers, but basically, I grabbed tweezers and lifted each stem up and lubed what I could, including the hole the wire comes from. If you have any more questions about this keyboard or the mods I did to it, feel free to ask me in the comments. Yo, I don't know how much of that recorded because my phone, which I used to record, is very much so out of storage, so I gotta fix that. And I also gotta be quick because I don't know how much longer I have left of filming time. Basically, I threw the funny foam into the funny keyboard case. Yeah, so now I'm gonna screw it back in and we'll do a quick sound test. Alright, so, in this is the Red Dragon K552, 255, one of those, foam modded, scuffedly lubed stabs, and I would argue it actually sounds really good. So before the sound test, just a quick note, if you're looking for a starting keyboard for a good price point, this is it. This is the modded sound test. Mind you, it could be modded better.
Hey girl, I gotta know, do you got games on your phone? Why don't you just come over? I don't wanna play them alone. Hey bitch, tell me which game is your favorite. Place your splash, I'll be saying it.